Hi, hello, and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Jen, and on this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, mystery bags, vlogs, and clothing hauls. So if you are interested in any of those things, please consider subscribing. Today we are going to be reviewing the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is a $12 a month subscription. So if you are interested in Ipsy or just in what I have this month in my bag or my variation, then go ahead and stay tuned. So like I said, today we are going to be reviewing the Ipsy Glam Bag $12 a month bag. So if you are new to Ipsy, it's a monthly subscription for $12. You receive 5 deluxe size items. Sometimes they will include full size items, which is always fun. I think it's a really good value because you are getting a great amount of quality and brands and things to try for only $12. It's not like, you know, it's gonna break the bank or anything like that, and they usually have some really good things. Even if they are deluxe size, they usually will last you about a week, maybe 5 to 7, maybe even 10 days, depending on the deluxe size. So you do actually get to try it for more than a couple of days. At least that's how long they last me about. Now it does say that it's a $50 value. However, I have never found it to be $50. It's usually between like $40 and $45, which is completely fine. I just wish they would quit advertising as so. But the reason why I say that, and let me pull it out and show you. So you do get a little card, and on the card is the theme of the month. This month it is Stay Golden. And then you do get a list of your items here, and they do put the full size price in here. Like I said, it's never been $50 or more. I do sort of my own little calculation based on the size that we get and what the full sized price is, and that's how I come to about the $40 mark. Again, I'm not mad at it. I just wish that they would quit posting about it being $50 or more. That's my only complaint. So let's go ahead and get into this. Like I said, this month is Stay Golden. Now, am I the only one who has all month I've been like, Stay Golden, pony boy? Like every time that this is the month's theme and it comes up, I'm like, I always am like, Stay Golden, pony boy. Like, okay, anyway, I know my age is showing. All right, so you do always receive a bag, and this month's bag has the Stay Golden, and it has the Ipsy down here, and look at how beautiful this little detail is. The hardware has a gold sun with a beautiful blue diamond or little jewel in the middle. The inside of the bag is blue. Very nice, very well put together. It is a nice thick quality. I love that. The first item that I have in here is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I love primers, so this is going to do me some good. I like it. This is a deluxe size. Again, the full size price for 40 milliliters or mLs is $28. And this one says it is a 10 ml. So again, I will do that little comparison for you guys and put the proper pricing, or at least my guesstimation, over here. As always, it does have these little bursts in there, which I think is perfect for calling it a watermelon burst. I don't know if it has a seal. It does not. Oh, it smells like a Starburst, or not a Starburst, yeah, Starburst. Yeah, I was gonna say Skittles, but no, it's a Starburst. Yes, all right, and I love those little bursts in there. I cannot wait to give this a try. And again, like I said, this one will be really good to give, you probably will get way more than a week's worth of this primer. A little will probably go a long way. The next item I'm pulling out, oh yes, and you do get to customize one item in your Glam Bag. This was what I chose, was the Real Her Girl Power lipstick in the color mauve. Oh, maybe it's Girl Power is the color. It's a mauve. So let's see. I was excited about this. So, oh, it's just a little mini deluxe size. Look at how tiny against my hand. And I'm okay with that. You know, we get so many lipsticks and things. This is just perfectly fine. Super adorable. I do love that. Let's see, you do get a nice amount there to try, again, compared to the palm of my hand. And I'm a little person, so I have small hands. So here's what, if that gives you an idea. Let's see how pretty this color is on thy skin. Ooh. It's almost more of a sheer or like a satin type. It does not say, let's see. Thanks to its moisturizing formula, this lipstick doubles as a perfect cream blush. Oh, I'm glad I read this. So there's that. Looks like you could use it for double. I like that. Full size is $18. Again, I will put the pricing on the side. All right, next we've got this, ooh, I won't even know how to say this. Oyai, Oyai, O-U-A-I. Oyai, I don't know. Scalp and body scrub. Okay, I'm interested in trying that. It comes sealed here. This is a nice size. Ooh. Has a very light perfumey scent. I do not think that it will mess with my headache for two reasons. Because it is a body scrub, so it will wash off in the shower, which will then not leave the skin too scented by this. So I like that. You can see the little crystal scrubs in there, or sugar scrubs, whatever in there. I do like that. Let's go ahead and put some on thy skin so you guys can see what that's about. And yep, it has a sticky consistency from those sugar scrubs, or sugar cubes, I guess. Definitely can see the scrub on there. And okay, so I'm excited to try that. That's yet to be determined as far as that goes. The next thing I got in here is a... Is this a quad or a duo? This is from Shayna B. Miami. Little eyeshadow. It's a duo with those two pretty colors there. Looks like one's a matte and one is a shimmer. What I like about this, you guys, let me make sure. Eyeshadow duo. So this is eyeshadow, but if you look at these colors, you can use this as a blush and highlighter. You would probably just need to go in a little light depending on the pigmentation. And let's go ahead and put that here. Yes, but see, I do think that you can definitely use these as blush and highlighter as well. So it looks like so far this is a really great bag because the lipstick was also a blush. So we got that going on for us. Full size price is $29. This obviously is a deluxe, so there's that. And then I should have one more item, and it is hiding in the bag. It is the Murad. And I love this brand, Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. So here's this guy. I love this brand. We get this brand in BoxyCharm, and it is a really good product. They have really good products, so I'm excited to try this. Look at how teeny tiny this is. The box was way bigger than it, but that again is okay with me. This one is $65 for the full size. A full size would be 1.7 ounces, and I don't see the ounces on here right now, so I will get that for you later. But let's go ahead and do a recap and what my first impressions are of this box. Alright, so we did get the we got the body scrub, we got the Murad SPF cream, the primer, the lipstick that can double as a blush, and the eyeshadow duo that I think can also double as blush and highlighter. So here are the 5 items that we got for $12 and the bag. So yes, I do think that this bag was a really good variation. I'm very happy with it. It is to my liking. It is very well curated for me based on my likes and dislikes of products. So like I said, definitely something you should try out if you're interested. I do have a link below. I may get points. I don't know, because if you've ever signed up, I don't know. I've never gotten points, so just keep that in mind. You're supposed to, but whatever. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you thought, and we will see you in our next video. Bye guys!